the elements were spread throughout the cosmos, so they were in the mix when our solar system formed 4.5 billion years ago. And later, more were delivered to Earth by comets and asteroids. Most of the elements on the periodic table came to us from space. We classify them in groups defined by their characteristics. The largest group is the metals. And one of the most beautiful by far is gold. Now, this ancient treasure is going back to space, on board the most advanced telescope ever built. It's the next big space telescope. We like to call it Hubble 2.0. Hubble 2.0 is the James Webb Space Telescope. We're going to launch this incredible telescope, the largest space telescope mankind has ever built, and we're going to send it 1 million miles into space to stare at the earliest part of the universe, and it will all rely on 2 ounces of gold. The ultra-thin layers of gold that coat the telescope's mirrors give it the power to detect galaxies light years away. Hubble has sort of found the edge of the visible universe, but we know there's a whole universe beyond that, at wavelengths called infrared wavelengths. And that's where gold comes into the picture. Infrared light is invisible to our eyes, but we can detect it as heat. And so what this shows is that gold is an almost perfect reflector of infrared light. And that's why we coat all of the mirrors of the James Webb Space Telescope in gold, so that it has an almost perfect view of the infrared invisible universe.